Today I'm playing Bob and Bosip. Week in the background. I already played it before, and yeah, I'm having a problem with the Bob week. Yeah. Alright. Have I made this video before? I feel like I haven't. Sorry if you can't really hear it. Sorry if you can't hear the volume, and even though it's a little bit loud, it's because the system that I'm using to record, it doesn't really let to record the music. Sorry, I'm watching Pokemon at the same time. I like Pokemon, even though it's a little, like a boy video. I don't care. I just like it. Moral say what? What kind of name is that? And how do you know the real name? What? I don't know the real name, but I feel like that's the real name. It looks like he's a furry. Yeah, I draw furries, as you know. I'm not that great at playing Friday Night Funkin', but somehow I'm a little bit great at it. No, I'm not. Oh, and by the way, the system that I'm using doesn't let me to edit. Yeah. Oh, that was great! I love this! Oh my gosh, I just tickled my toe on accident. The grass, you should update it a little bit, because everything looks good, but you need to update the grass. It's lagging a little bit. I love it. The third song, I'm not pretty great at it. It's pretty hard to do. Wait, not responding? What is going on? I'll pause the video for a second. Okay, it's now oh, come on. You showed it was responding. There we go. So you couldn't see the cutscene. This happens a lot, sorry. Not Hex. I can tell that. Oh no, the lag. I just noticed the lighting. I just saw, yeah, there. I saw the lighting. It was so cool. I like the animation. I don't like showing my face, but I do like to use my voice. What? 5 minutes. Okay. Again? Really? And the lagging. I really hate the lagging a lot. It's just uncomfortable. Okay. Sorry, I haven't been really posting a lot in YouTube nor in Instagram. Whoever who's following me, and I'm not posting anything in the YouTube, in the Instagram. Yeah, it's because I'm not very active at Instagram. I'm mostly active at here. Oh. Uh, One miss. I thought I missed a lot. Can anyone talk about my FNF physics, please? Ah, ha, ha, ha. There we go. There's a lot of misses. Ah, stop it! Yeah, I guess sometimes I'm not real great at it. It's because of the lag and it's because of the other stuff. Yeah. Well, I'm sorry, but I can't really do any longer since my limit is at 15 and I know it's at 8 minutes right now. So yeah. I really want to make a video that is not lagging. Can anyone help me find a, a recording system that is not making anything lag in the computer, please? I really need a new one because I don't really like the maximum. I don't really get to do a lot of videos that are long. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Wait, do I never say subscribe to my channel? Yeah, I think so. Well, I don't care whatever you do. I just mostly want to make friends. Yeah. Alright, so yeah. I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Goodbye.